Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So I know a lot of people have been struggling with getting enough light year to get out of space. It is pretty challenging if you don't really know how, but I'm going to show you really quickly one of the easiest ways to do it. There's actually multiple ways, but personally what I think the easiest, I'll go through all of them. I'm going to start with what I think the easiest, and that's going to be mine. So usually after you get your first 3 tiers, that's when you start trying to get out of space, because your fourth tier requires ash, I believe. So once you get to the point where you're trying to get out of space, grind mine a bit. I'd recommend being able to uh, get the best pickaxe so that you can break some of these ores back here. But the 1 in 95, I mean, but with luck, it'll be a lot easier to get. I mean, right now it's like a 1 in 4 chance. It does multiply light year, and by a good chunk, 2.5 times each. The only downside to this is it does reset on tiers because it's not 1 in 2 million. But your cash doesn't reset on tiers, so if you just grind some cash before you do a tier, then you can get just a ton. So next up, another way to do it, it's a lot longer of a grind, but it's just going to be grinding out a bunch of tokens, which I have a video on, how to get a bunch of those, and it's going to be just opening a bunch of the artifacts and trying to get 5-star light year artifacts. I haven't really grinded that. It's really not that necessary. This is a lot faster. And of course, you could try doing with runes, but the only rune other than the mine runes that multiplies it is the final one, and it's not even that big of a boost. So I would recommend doing the mine as the fastest way to get out. The next fastest would just be grinding artifacts, which takes absolutely forever because it's the rarest uh, artifact in that area. But yeah, I'll show you really quick how easy it is to get the ghost. I think it was, yeah, it was ghost, right? Cave. Yeah, ghost. I'll show you quickly how easy it is to get ghost. Of course, I don't get it. Whatever. But yeah, it's pretty much just break a diamond and you can get a bunch of runes. At least that's where I'm at right now. And I mean, I went from getting like, let's see, I think I got like, without artifacts, I was getting like 4,000 from this. And now it's at 12,000 without artifacts. So it's definitely worth grinding. Mine, I know a lot of people have just been kind of like putting that off, but it is definitely worth grinding. So make sure you do that, and you'll be out of space in no time.